Hello to everybody. I'm pretty sure y'all been waiting for this video. Well, here it is now. The demonstration video on the JFJ Easy Pro Disc Repair Machine. One of the most recent things I bought off of eBay. Yep, this costed $134. It was really worth it. This really fixed up some of my DVDs. And a few of my CDs as well. I'm actually going to fix another one right now. But before I do, I'm going to show you what you get with this machine. So, of course, here's what it looks like. Then, you open this up. You can see what's the inside of it. It's got a little screw nut too. Right. Here's what it all comes with. It comes with this blue cloth to clean off the solution and some other whatnot. What else? You got the solution bottles and this spray, which I don't really need this, but I'll just keep it for now. All I need is these and the pads. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you the sanding pads. You open them up, and you have two. You have the coarse sandpaper and the soft sandpaper. You even get a spare extras. They're in this bag, but I don't need them right now. Okay, and then if we take a look at this box, it's gonna come with the buffing pads. Now, when you get this, they'll both be white, but then you have to place one with blue, and this is stained blue, so, yep. And before I show you the DVD I'm gonna fix, I'm actually gonna grab some pieces of paper. You'll find out why. I'll be right back. Alright, I think we're good to go. So the DVD I'm gonna fix is the 2004 DVD of Bob the Builder, Scoop's Favorite Adventures. There it is. Right now, it is in rough shape. So I'm gonna do the steps needed. Okay, let's see. First, you're going to sand. So let me get this stuff out of the way. Okay. And there's hold on. Sorry. Okay, so you have to screw the disc in. Take off the screw nut. There's the disc. Put it up too. Okay. Screw it on. Make sure it's on tight. Not too tight. Just to where it doesn't fall out. Okay? First, you're going to sand. We're gonna start with the coarse sandpaper. That goes. That goes in like that. Okay, and then you have to close it. Alright, and there's an on and off switch. It also has to be plugged in, as you can see over there. Okay, so you have to turn it on. You could go for either 10 seconds or 20 seconds. I wouldn't do a minute or 2 minutes. That's for the buffing. Right now we're doing the sanding. This DVD's in very rough shape, so we're gonna have to do 20 seconds on both, so here we go. As you can see, it is sanding the disc. You can see how much use it's getting right now. I'm gonna get this soft sandpaper ready. And I'll show you what the disc looks like now when it's done. Done. Right. You take out the coarse sandpaper. Of course, if you're gonna forget which sandpaper is which, all you have to do is grab a Sharpie and write the symbols. C, this is the coarse, and then S, this is the soft. Okay, so we put the soft in. That's the next step. So you can see, it's all sanded up. I'm gonna do another round of 20 seconds. Here we go. This DVD is in very rough shape. You know how some Goodwill DVDs are very destroyed. Luckily, I bought this, so I shouldn't have any problems whatsoever anymore. Okay, we open it up. You're not done yet. Even though it's sanded up pretty good, it's not gonna play like that. You have to remove the sanding. What I do with the sandpapers, I just rub them off a bit to get them prepared for the next disc. Alright, now we're going to do the buffings. We're gonna do solution number 1 first. Actually, no. You don't do solution number 1 first. You actually do solution number 2. Well, that's what the instruction says. I don't know why. But here's solution number 1. So first, we're gonna do solution number 2. Put that in there. Take some of this. And you place a little bit on each side. And you're gonna see why I had to grab a few pieces of paper in a second. Now, here's the main reason why I had to go get some paper. You don't have to do this, but what I like to do is I smear the solution onto the buffing pads so they don't make a mess inside the machine. The mess inside the machine won't do anything, but I really hate it. And I actually did get a mess inside this machine, so I had to spend a little bit of time cleaning. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this off my hand. Okay, and I think we're ready to go. Okay, we're gonna do... This DVD is in very rough shape, so we're gonna do it for 2 minutes. And to save time, I'll be right back when this is done. The 2-minute cycle of solution number 2. I'll be right back with y'all. Okay guys, welcome back. The 2 minutes of solution number 2 is done. We lift the thing. You open it up. See what it looks like. It may look like it's still sanded, but you actually have to clean it up a bit. So let me take out solution number 2 pad out. And I'm gonna unscrew the disc and wipe it down a little bit. Yeah, so here's what it looks like. It looks pretty nice. But when you wipe it with this cloth, it will look a lot better. Okay. Okay, looks pretty decent so far. So, in order to make it a lot better, you're gonna do solution number 1. So, yeah. I think I got a little bit of the solution on my hand, but it's okay. Now, let's do solution number 1. Okay, right there, and right there. Now I gotta smear it. Again, you don't have to do, you don't have to do the smearing, but it's definitely a recommendation if you don't want to get the inside of the machine so dirty. I think I put too much solution, but it's okay. We need to make this DVD a lot better anyway. I'm pretty sure I'll make a big mess inside the machine, but it's fine. I'll deal with it. I can clean it off too. Alright, close it. We're gonna do another 2 minutes. Let me clean off my hands. I'll be right back. Actually, there goes the machine being messy. That's another reason why I grabbed a bunch of paper. So I can clean inside the machine when I'm done. I mean, you don't have to, but you know how I am. I already put it away the sanding pads. Since we're done, now we just gotta wait for this to finish up, which is still going. Maybe I'll have use for this when I end up getting a DVD that has a bunch of fingerprints. I could clean this off and then put it into this machine. And what it looks like, we're done. Let's open it up. Alrighty. Now we get to turn it off. Okay. Look at that mess inside. It's okay. Okay, so that's the solution number 1 pad done. Now I need to take out the disc and then clean it up a bit. Oh god, I have a lot of cleaning to do. Alright, now we dry up the disc. Okay. Oh my god. This is starting to look better actually. Just make sure there's nothing around the edge. Okay, so there's the disc. Well, actually I'm not done. Okay, that looks pretty wiped out. Look at that. Look at this, everybody. Oh my god. This absolutely works. There may still be a few marks, but it looks pretty fine as is. This will definitely work. Yeah. I'll put this disc back. Well, there y'all have it. That was the demonstration video on my JFJ Easy Pro Disc Repair machine. Yup, y'all know how this works, and there was no reason for me to include the 2-minute buffing. Y'all pretty much know how the 2 minutes go. So that's everything I do. Yup. So yeah. For those of you that are movie collectors, this is a must buy by you. I mean, you don't have to buy it right now, but if you don't like to get your DVDs and Blu-rays and CDs and video games fixed immediately, then this is a definite good way to go. I had some stuff before, but they sucked. Like, Skip Doctor. I still have that, and it sucked. It doesn't even fix the scratches at all. It just doesn't do much. and the GameStop disc skip fixer. I still have that too, but it's only good for removing fingerprints, but not the scratches. And in the past, I had Scratch Out, which it just makes DVDs a lot worse. So I'm never buying that again. And I also had one of the disc repair device, that being the Memorix OptiFix Pro. That sucked too, especially when it broke down on me. So I had to save up money and went ahead and bought this. I'm very glad with having this machine with me. So yeah, well, I don't have anything else to say anymore besides that's the end of the demonstration video on the JFJ Easy Pro Disc Repair Machine. Again, this is a must buy, but you don't have to right away. This costed me $134, and it was definitely worth the money. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped y'all use this machine if y'all had this. This is Baby in the VHS, DVD, Blu-ray, and CD fan 2001, signing out.